Mood fluctuation tends to oscillate on a day-to-day basis. There's this high, rise and fall, this sort of emotional fluctuation that occurs multiple times simultaneously on a day-to-day basis. Then you have atypical, which doesn't fall into any one of the categories. And then we go into areas like comorbid mental disorders, where there's multiple mental disorders that collide and converge simultaneously, where you end up in a predicament where one cancels out each other. A prime example is when high functioning autism meets bipolar 1 manic episode. One tend to cancel out each other, or there's some profound convergence occurs. That's beside the point. The whole point here is to explore what exactly causes bipolar. There's a whole dichotomic school of thought behind the evolution or the number of prerequisite or preconditions that sort of predicate bipolar. One is a biological predisposition, and there's also environmental factors that are conducive to what induces bipolar. Biological predisposition, meaning that it's genetically affiliated, or it's inherited in the family, or environmental factors in terms of substance abuse, a trauma, post-traumatic stress syndrome or disorder, insomnia, because bipolar can be induced, or manic episode can be induced through insomnia, primarily if the circadian rhythm is disrupted. Circadian rhythm basically is a sleep moderator, right? And this works